Welcome. If you're looking to allow contact access for Google Chrome on your phone, you're in the right place. Whether you need this for syncing contacts or enabling certain web features, the process is quick and easy. Here's the updated step-by-step guide to help you get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your device's settings. This is where you control all the apps and permissions on your phone. Next, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps. On some devices, this might be called App Management instead. Tap on it to see a list of all the applications installed on your device. Now look for Google Chrome in the list. You can scroll through or use the search bar at the top to find it faster. Once you spot Google Chrome, tap on its name to open its settings page. On the Chrome App Info page, you'll see several options. Find and tap on Permissions. This section lets you manage what information Chrome can access on your device. Inside Permissions, you'll see a list of items like camera, location, and contacts. Tap on Contacts to open the access options. Here, simply select Allow to grant Chrome access to your contacts. That's it. You've now enabled contact access for Google Chrome on your phone. This setting allows Chrome to interact with your contacts when needed, like autofilling information or syncing with web services. If you ever want to review or change this permission, just repeat these steps and adjust the setting as needed. Remember, you're always in control of what information apps can access on your device. Thanks for following along. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tutorials to make the most of your device. See you next time.